MagHyst Embedded is a unique compact testing system for sensorless function and condition monitoring. It presents a 25 by 25 mm PCB which implements principles of MagHyst technology and can be customized to each type of solenoid or solenoid valve according to your needs. Depending on all boundary conditions in your application, we can offer you a tailored hardware design or software solution if your existing electronics on board are compatible with requirements of MagHyst technology. We utilize different user cases of solenoid valve testing. The first one, electronics can actively control the valve, and the second one, it can passively measure each actuation from the control unit in application and use it as a test cycle. Detection of the armature position in the start and end positions can be also performed without actuation of the solenoid valve. Smart valve can check itself and provide taken data back to the upper level control unit. It is a unique selling point as well as for the solenoid valve supplier as for the customer, for the user of the valves. No conventional sensors required because the existing excitation coil is used as a sensor. It's very robust as long as no short circuit appears between the turns, which otherwise can be detected by electronics. Each switching operation can be used as a test cycle for condition monitoring. The methods are independent from the temperature and can be used in the entire range of temperatures where solenoid can be used. No maintenance is required, unlike classic mechanical switches or sensors. It doesn't matter if the new or existing valves need to be monitored. We can upgrade and integrate existing systems. Maintenance can be performed on conditional basis. Condition of the valve is estimated with MagHyst Embedded, and this is a way to prevent unplanned downtimes. In the following pictures, I would like to show you some magnetic curves that can see and analyze MagHyst Embedded, and that gives us a chance to detect various faults in the solenoid valves, including but not limited to friction, sticking of the armature, contamination, engaged or switch on and disengaged, switched off armature position, switching time and current, short circuit between the turns, electrical resistance and temperature of the coil, spring damage. PCE, or magnetic flux linkage over the current, is a magnetic curve that describes magnetic behavior of the solenoid during process of switching on and switching off. We can see the armature at the start and at the end position, time delays and armature movement during engaging and disengaging of the solenoid. In a first example, a position of the armature in the start and end positions can be detected. The full stroke can be calculated as a difference between them. If the start and stop position will change during the production process or due to contamination in the valve or due to other manipulations, our electronics will recognize this fault. Change will be detected if we vary counteracting forces in the valve itself, like spring preload, spring stiffness, or additional hydraulic forces in the application. Remanence force can cause the sticking of the armature in the end or engaged position, and it can appear over the time due to change of the residual air gap. This video represents only some capabilities of MagHyst Embedded to estimate the armature in the disengaged, start or engaged or stop positions. Thank you for your time and attention. and please stay healthy.